Hi guys, so I'll be unboxing 101's 2B1. It's the pink version. So here's a side, back, track list. It is bent on the sides. I ordered this from Amazon and I did have the blue version at first, but it was broken down here. So I returned it and then I got the pink one. Card. I got Park Ji-hoon. Okay, here's the group card. And then I got Lai Kylan. Okay. Just a flip book. I'll do that one more time. I love the flip books. Okay. Photo book. This is the blue side. Okay, this is the same. This is the lyrics, the songs. Okay, and then lastly, the CD. Okay, and that's it. Bye guys.